So here we're going to use our 4mm Allen to do this. We're going to take our fuse box, take off the cover. You're going to take the set screw, back it off like so. You're going to take your wire, and if you don't use a ferrule, this is what it'll look like. You just insert it like so. You're going to tighten it up. Nice and snug, like so. And take this side, and if you use your ferrule, this is what it'll look like. Just like that. Insert. Snug it up, just like the other side. Got a nice bite into it. Things feels pretty snug. Now, I'll show you what it looks like after everything's been done. So we'll undo the side without the ferrule first. Here you see the set screw has cut into the copper strand some, therefore pushing some of them out and cutting others, and over time they will come looser and you won't have that great of connection. Now on this side, we'll undo it, one with the ferrule, see how it looks. Like so. If you notice the difference, everything's contained, nothing's spread out. The ferrule has done its job. The set screw has only bitten into the ferrule, and therefore you don't have any cut strands, and it should last you quite a while with no electrical issues. So if you don't want to use our ferrule and you just use the bare strands, you're going to get a micro arcing and a bad connection, and over time this is what it could look like. This person did not use a ferrule, and therefore his fuse box burned up.